This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Outlook and targeting the mailbox or folder you want to archive. This saves time and avoids archiving irrelevant data. Next, choose File, then Cleanup Tools and select Archive. Set the archive date so messages older than that date are moved. Make sure Auto Archive is off if you want manual control. Once done, confirm the PSD destination path and give the file a clear name so you can find it later. Now refine what moves to the archive by selecting the specific folder and checking Archive this folder and all subfolders. This ensures nested content is included. Then set the archive items older than date to control cutoff. Browse to choose or create the PSD file and confirm the location and file name. If needed, change settings for calendar, tasks, and deleted items. After you click OK, Outlook will process items. This may take minutes depending on mailbox size. To complete, open the archived PSD via File, Open, and Outlook data file so you can access archived mail. Make sure folders appear and spot-check messages to verify successful move. If items aren't where expected, search both your live mailbox and the archive with keywords and date filters. Sometimes rules or labels prevented movement. If Outlook reports errors or the PSD won't open, run the Inbox Repair Tool, Scamps.exe, to repair corruption. Finally, back up the PSD to a safe location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.